weight loss myth number 3. All you need is exercise. Give it enough time and you will lose weight with just exercise. And actually, not often and not necessarily. It depends on what you're doing. And there are actually 8 problems with this theory. The first is that you cannot out-exercise a poor diet. I know because my husband tried. He was eating donuts and all kinds of junk food, working out 6 days a week very hard, and was really not able to affect his health. He was able, so the second problem with this is that you often can't lose enough to really make a difference in your health. So number 1 is you can't out-exercise eating donuts and all that kind of stuff, but you can't really necessarily, with just exercise, lose weight enough that it would make a difference in your health. My husband had lost maybe 5, 10, 15 pounds exercising. By the way, he'd gain it back. But what he really needed to lose was 60 pounds. I helped him do that in 2020. I've talked about that before, but 5, 10, 15 pounds for him was not going to make a difference in his health. 60 pounds, big difference in his health. The third problem with this is that people will jump into exercise without really being ready to do that or not knowing how, and that was me. Hello. I started exercising. I was walking, not jogging, not running, on the treadmill, and I required 5 surgical procedures on my foot. And I can't remember if I had torn 3 tendons and loosened a ligament or the other way around, whatever it was. Not good. 5 surgical procedures later and quite a bit of recovery. The fourth problem with this is that some hate exercise so much that they never even start, or they quit because they just hate doing it and they can't keep it up enough to actually make a difference. The fourth, well, no, I said it, the fifth problem with this is that some people don't know what to do. Well, that was obviously me. I didn't know what I was doing walking on the treadmill. I did it without shoes on, so don't do that. But some people don't know what to do, and so they get frustrated and quit before they have results. Number 7, some people just simply can't exercise. And really that was me. Walking on the treadmill, not a whole lot. But for the most part, that was all I could muster. And it was like, I think I was doing 5 minutes a day. I mean, I worked up to 5 minutes. I could not exercise at all. I was basically a couch potato. I was a prisoner of my couch because I had 0 energy before I lost my weight and I got better nutrition. So some people are to the point where they cannot exercise at all. They cannot walk any length of time, and this is not helping them. So exercise alone is really not something that is going to get you to your goal weight. The other thing is, the problem number 8 is, even if you are losing some weight exercising and you're making some progress, the body still needs proper nutrition. And when you are exercising, you're utilizing a lot of energy. So you need to make sure that your intake of protein and nutrients is going to sustain that. So sometimes people can start exercising, but because they're not really feeding their body what it needs, after a while, they have to stop. So that's 8 reasons why this is problematic, just to think only exercise will get you to your goal weight. So if you are struggling, or you know somebody who's struggling to lose weight by just exercise alone and they're really frustrated, let them know I can help. I would love to chat with them. And then next week I will be back with, weight loss myth number 4. If you missed 1 and 2, I have those on my Facebook. There's a folder for weight loss myths. I also have it uploaded to YouTube, and I will be putting all of them on there. So that is at heaven-and-health on YouTube. Talk to you next week.